Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see about cool down. It includes some simple and very effective stretches, and so it'll help you to actually stretch and relax your muscles after your actual training session, which is going to prevent your DOMS, that is delayed onset muscle soreness. So let's begin.
So the first stretch is backward arching. Take your hands back and gently arch backwards. Inhale and arch backward. Stay there for 10 seconds and breathe normally. And then slowly come back to neutral by taking your hands front. Moving on to the second stretch. Gently bend at your knee and take your thigh towards the other, and do the same with the other leg. Sit in this posture for at least 10 to 15 seconds and gradually progress it to 30 seconds. Now slowly extend your knee and hip and come back to neutral. Moving on to the next stretch. Sit straight with legs apart. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend sideward, trying to touch your toe without hiking your hip on the opposite side. And remember to breathe normally, and as you exhale, move a little forward and remain in the position. And once you are done, inhale and come back up and bend towards the other side. Exhale and bend towards the other side. Grab the toes and breathe normally. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Do not hold your breath. And once you are done, inhale and come back up and relax. The other stretch is, it is also called VAJRASANA. Bend at your knee and at your hip and sit in VAJRASANA. Sitting on your heel, sit in this position for at least 30 to 50 seconds, gradually progressing it to 1 to 5 minutes. Sitting in this position will help you stretch those muscles and relax them completely. You can feel the stretch in front of your thigh, and it is quite relaxing. Once you are done, come back to neutral. Moving on to child's pose. Keep your thighs apart and raise your hands. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale, bend forward. Do not raise your hip. And slowly bend forward. Exhale, bend forward and breathe normally. As you exhale, move a little forward by taking your hands a little bit ahead. Move a little forward and remain in the position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. And feel the relaxation spreading throughout your body. Spine and the entire arm muscles are completely relaxed. Once you're done, exhale and come back to neutral and relax. That's it. Now extend your knee and your hip slowly and relax. Now moving on to the next stretch, that is the butterfly stretch. Place both the feet together and take it a little towards you. Inhale. As you exhale, stretch by placing a little pressure on the thigh. Feel the stretch and relaxation spreading throughout your thigh. Stretch a little more. During your exhalation, hold this position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Breathe normally. Keep breathing and relax. The next stretch is tricep stretch. Bend out your elbow. Place it behind. Place the opposite hand on the elbow and you'll feel the stretch on the triceps muscle. Apply pressure from the opposite hand while stretching. Remember, stretch only during exhalation and hold the position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. As you exhale, move a little backward. Stretch it, apply pressure a little more, and once you're done, come back to neutral. Moving on to the next stretch. Inhale, raise your hands, clasp your hands. Inhale and slowly exhale by taking your hands behind. Exhale and stretch. Feel the stretch in front of your shoulder and your chest. Inhale and take your hands up. Exhale, take your hands forward and relax. Moving on to modified child's pose. Inhale, raise your arms, clasp your fingers. Exhale, bend forward. Relax and maintain this position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Breathe normally, and as you exhale, you can move a little forward. This is for those who cannot sit on their heels, a modified child's pose. So relax, feel relaxation spreading all over your spine and your arms. Till your fingers. Breathe normally. Enjoy the stretch and remain in the position. Once you're done, inhale and come back to neutral and relax. Moving on to next stretch. Assume an equestrian posture. Take one of your leg forward and inhale, look up and feel the stretch in your quadriceps, front of the thigh, and assume the posture for 15 to 20 seconds. Once you're done, relax by exhaling and come back to normal and relax. The next stretch is hamstring stretch. Take one of your legs and place it on the table. Once you are comfortable, inhale and raise your hands. Exhale, bend forward and feel the stretch. Remain in the position for 15 to 20 seconds. Stabilize your pelvis, stabilize your leg and feel the stretch. Once you're done, come back to neutral by exhaling and relax. The last stretch is quadricep stretch. Bend at your knee and hold at your ankle and maintain the position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. For more stretch, push your ankle further to feel the stretch in front of your thigh. Now breathe in and out normally. Do not hold your breath. Maintain the position and feel the stretch. Once you're done, relax by exhaling and coming to normal.
So that's all for today's video. It was about stretching, and stretching plays a major role in preventing muscle soreness, those cramps which are painful. So always remember to stretch your muscle at least 10 to 15 minutes post exercise, which is definitely going to release all the stress. Your subscriptions and likes will definitely help me to motivate myself to bring out more content and more videos. So until then, bye bye and take care.